Vision. CPEC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally, and morally sensitive toward sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Mission. Pursuant to Section 3 or Republic Act 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical, and special instructions for special purposes, and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Goals. CPEC strive to number 1. Expand access to higher education. Number 2. Integrate 21st century competences in all curricular programs. Number 3. Strengthen quality assurance mechanism. Number 4. Expand government academy industry collaboration. Number 5. Improve research and innovation. Number 6. Promote excellence in all its program. Objectives. To offer, number 1, to offer relevant baccalaureate degree programs in agriculture. Number 2, to produce quality instructional materials relevant to degree program. Number 3, inculcate moral values for total human development. Number 4, to produce quality researches relevant to local, regional, and national development goals. Number 5, to package generate agricultural technologies for farmers, fisherfolks, and other stakeholders. Number 6, to promote relevant agricultural technologies for improved quality of life.